Hey, it's Mark Ling here, and in this video we're going to look at removing the comments option on posts. So all I need to do is go to plugins, and I'm going to have to add in a plugin. I'll just click on add new, and I'll click and type remove comments and press enter. And there we go, install now. See, disable comments and click activate. Great, so that should be active. Now, if I go check out, I think that's all I needed to do, but I'll just go check out the site now. And I'll click on one of these pages and just see what it's got for comments. Should be no comments now. There we go, no comments. Great, that's how I wanted it. So now I can go back and there, I've done it. So I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.